Hi everyone, my name is Yiping FANG. I'm from China and now I'm an associate professor at Centrale Supélec in the lab of industrial engineering. I'm working mainly on using advanced computational techniques to the application of risk and resilience analysis of cyber-physical systems. So in this master program of artificial intelligence, I'm in charge of the course called stochastic optimization, and I will be your professor in this course. So in this course, in this stochastic optimization, we are going to introduce the fundamentals of any artificial intelligence techniques like machine learning, deep neural network, or reinforcement learning. So this course will introduce the mathematical foundation for all the techniques we are going to meet in your master curriculum.